Hi, it's November 1st. This is the BAM Weekly Muni Market Update. I'm here with Chris Flossie from BAM's Capital Markets Desk. Chris, thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Mike.
So we are right on the verge of finally making it to election week. But before we look at that, it was one more very active week in the muni market and a big economic data release this morning. What did we learn?
Yeah, so this week, like you said, there's another big week of supply with another 14 billion of municipals hitting the market. This week, the market outperformed treasuries a little bit. The muni yields were higher 4 to 5 across the curve, depending on where you're looking. As the week progressed, we definitely saw bid wanted activity kind of tail off. We're getting some feedback that people are really just waiting to see what happens next week with the presidential election. This morning, as you mentioned, there was an economic release. The jobs number came out. 12,000 jobs were added the prior month. The market has had a muted response to that jobs number, probably in anticipation of that election coming next week.
And that jobs number, to clarify, was a little bit weaker than was expected. Wall Street had been expecting 100,000 new jobs. On the other side, the other piece of the survey, the household survey, showed that the unemployment rate remained very low at 4.1%. So kind of a mixed picture. That soft landing conversation is still very much in play.
That's right.
Any transactions stand out to you? I think I saw more than $600 million of BAM insured paper on the new issue calendar this week. Anything stand out to you there?
Yeah, it was actually closer to 650, which is a very positive week. We had over 24 series priced this week and very diverse across 11 states. So that's a positive result. We had a $390 million Atlanta water and sewer transaction priced with JP Morgan. And that was priced very well and put away to end buyers. There's also a Crowfoot Valley Metro District in Colorado, $41 million with Piper Sandler. So two great transactions to highlight.
Very good. We'll be back next week. We'll start talking about any market reaction to the election results and looking ahead to the rest of the year. We are starting to hear from bankers. Certainly our underwriters inside BAM say that their calendars in terms of deals under review for insurance remain very strong. We expected them, they might fall off a little bit, but apparently there are still a pretty good pipeline of deals into the end of the year. So we'll see just how far this volume has to run.
That's right. Stay tuned.
Thanks for your time, Chris. Have a great weekend.
Thanks, Mike.